The U.S. Navy has officially announced a major milestone in autonomous naval technology. On December 8th, Secretary of the Navy John C. Phelan confirmed that Saronic, a Texas-based autonomous vessel manufacturer, has secured a multi-hundred-million-dollar production contract for its Corsair Autonomous Surface Vessel, ASV. The Navy says $200 million of the funding is being released immediately, part of a larger push to rapidly expand production capacity for U.S.-made autonomous and unmanned surface vessels. The Corsair ASV. The Corsair is Saronic's midsize autonomous vessel, built for endurance and modular mission profiles. 24 feet long top speed, 35 knots range, 1,000 nautical miles payload. Capacity, 1,000 lbs. Fully autonomous navigation designed for fast, scalable production and multiple mission sets. A standout achievement. The Corsair program moved from prototype to production in under 12 months, something the Navy calls the new benchmark for future unmanned fleet development. Secretary Phelan emphasized open competition, real contracts, real hardware. This is now the standard. Saronic's full ASV lineup. Saronic currently produces 8 autonomous vessels, all running on a unified autonomy software stack, which allows rapid integration and seamless upgrades across the fleet. Their catalog ranges from Spyglass, a compact 6-foot collaborative ASV for dynamic battlefield operations, Cutlass -14-foot, highly deployable platform Corsair, midsize multi-role ASV, to their largest vessel, the flagship, Marauder. The Marauder is Saronic's most advanced large-scale ASV. Range, 4,100 nautical miles at full 150-ton load. Range increases by 1,300 nautical miles at 25-ton load. Cruising speed, 12 knots. Sprint speed, 25 knots. Saronic has invested $300 million into its Gulf shipyard in Louisiana to accelerate production of the Marauder. New long-range platforms, Mirage and Cypher. 2 of Saronic's newest larger ASVs are Mirage -2,000 nautical mile range, Cypher to 3,000 nautical mile range with payload capacities of 2,000 pounds and 10,000 pounds, respectively. The bigger picture, the U.S. is now moving full speed to expand unmanned naval capability. Faster production, adaptive mission profiles, and modular autonomous vessels like these are shaping the future of naval warfare and maritime logistics.